Hello everyone, today I will show you what is the Network Manager in Linux, namely nmtui, and how to use it. Before moving on to the video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's move on to the video. nmtui, Network Manager Text User Interface, is a simple, text-based interface for managing network connections in Linux. It allows users to configure and control network settings without using complex terminal commands or a graphical interface. With nmtui, you can connect to Wi-Fi networks or wired connections, edit network settings such as IP addresses, DNS settings, and gateways, create new network connections or delete existing ones, set the system host name. Most modern Linux distributions come with nmtui's Network Manager pre-installed. If it's not installed, we can download it by saying sudo dnf install nmtui. I currently have an error like this because I don't have any repo. I will show how to add a repo in my other videos. Open the terminal and type sudo nmtui. When nmtui opens, you will see a text-based menu with three main options. To navigate the menu arrow keys, use these to navigate between options. Enter. Select the highlighted option. Tab. Move between fields or buttons. For example, OK, cancel. ESC, return to the previous menu. Select Edit a connection. Use the arrow keys to highlight Edit a connection and press Enter. Choose a network to edit. A list of available network connections, e.g. Ethernet or Wi-Fi, will appear. Use the arrow keys to select the network connection you want to edit and press Enter. Once inside the network configuration menu, you'll see various fields that you can modify. IP configuration. You can configure the network to use either DHCP, automatic IP assignment, or static IP, manual configuration. Configuring DHCP. To use DHCP, simply select Automatic in the IPv4 configuration section. This will allow the router or DHCP server to automatically assign an IP address. You can also configure DNS servers here if you want custom DNS, like Google's 8.8.8.8. Configuring static IP. To manually assign an IP, select Manual in the IPv4 configuration section. You'll see fields for addresses. Enter the desired static IP. To look at your gateway, we need to open another terminal and type route-n. DNS servers. You can specify one or more DNS servers, e.g. 1.1.1.1 for Cloudflare DNS. You can disable IPv6 if you want. Once you've made the necessary changes, use the Tab key to move to the OK button and press Enter to save your changes. Then come back and enter. Activate a connection. Then enable or disable the connection to apply the changes. Now let's look at our IP by typing ifconfig. And as you can see, our IP has changed. Now let's ping our DNS. And the ping goes in. Select Edit a connection. Choose Add. Select the connection type. You will be prompted to select the type of connection you want to create, e.g. Wi-Fi, Ethernet, etc. For this walkthrough, let's assume you're setting up an Ethernet connection. Select Ethernet and press Enter. Connection name. Enter a name for the connection, e.g. custom static connection. Device. Choose the network interface you want to configure, ENS160 or NP3S0 for Ethernet, or WLAN 0 for Wi-Fi. IPv4. Configuration. Select Manual to configure a static IP, or Automatic, DHCP, if you want automatic IP assignment. Addresses. Enter the desired IP address and subnet mask gateway. Enter the IP address of your network's gateway, typically the router. And here we can turn off IPv6. I'm turning it off. Once you've entered all the settings, use the Tab key to move to the OK button and press Enter. After saving the connection, go back to the main menu and select Activate a Connection. Select your newly created connection from the list and press Enter to activate it. Use the ifconfig command to verify the network configuration, and as we see, the IP has changed. Select Set System Host Name. Use the arrow keys to highlight Set System Host Name from the main menu and press Enter. Enter the new host name. In the field provided, type the new host name you want for your system, e.g. my Linux machine. Use Tab to navigate to the OK button and press Enter to save the changes. Exit nmtui. After setting the new host name, you can exit the nmtui interface by selecting Quit. That's it. Thank you for watching. I hope I was able to help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to support me. Bye.